You have just read about the importance of student engagement, motivation, and achievement in the classroom. As you watch this video, keep the following questions in the back of your mind. What factors can affect student engagement and motivation? What types of learners might be present in your classroom? How can you identify students who have become disengaged or unmotivated? By now you probably know that there are many different ways to teach a class. Similarly, there are many different ways that your students may learn. For example, one student may learn most efficiently in small peer groups, while another student may benefit the most from one-on-one tutoring. As a teacher, you should expect that there will be multiple learning styles present in your classroom. You should also anticipate that your best teaching style will not fit every student's learning style. The key to effectively teaching all of the different learners in your classroom lies in your ability to maintain student engagement and motivation. Maintaining student engagement and motivation is a vital skill, since these factors are intrinsically connected to student achievement. Engagement is linked to motivation, and motivation is linked to engagement. Motivation and engagement both lead to student achievement. All of these factors help students develop genuine interest and knowledge about classroom material that will last beyond the short term. Engaged and motivated students are more likely to successfully apply classroom learning to the world around them and their own lives. On the other hand, student disengagement and lack of motivation is linked to deviant behavior, absences, and low academic achievement. These students may feel that they are not valued in the classroom. Middle school students are especially at risk to become disengaged and unmotivated due to the physical, emotional, and psychological changes that they go through during adolescence. It can be difficult to determine if your students are engaged or motivated, especially if you are new to teaching. You will review this skill in greater detail later. For now, let's look at some very basic ways to measure your students' level of engagement and motivation. Engaged and motivated students have no problem meeting the minimum requirements for the tasks that you assign. Disengaged and unmotivated students tend to be off task. For example, they may sleep or daydream in class, or they may discuss topics that are completely irrelevant to the task at hand. Students who are engaged and motivated will actively seek assistance and feedback from you or their fellow students. Students that are not engaged and motivated do not care enough about their work to seek such feedback. Engaged and motivated students will be eager to try new skills and apply new acquired information on their own without orders from the teacher. On the other hand, unmotivated and unengaged students will only use these skills or information if the teacher tells them to. In this video, we reviewed the importance of student engagement and motivation as it relates to student achievement. We reviewed the negative effects of disengagement and lack of motivation. We also learned a few ways to determine if your students feel engaged and motivated in the classroom. Remember the questions that you asked yourself at the beginning of this video. Now is a good time to answer these questions. Once you've done that, apply your answers to the themes of this video.